After removing the rear screws of the two devices, we placed the two iPhone 14 Pros on the heating platform to heat the screens. So, is it better to polish or manually pry it open? There are all kinds of opinions online. I'm sure you've heard many different takes. Today, I'm going to explain this topic again. Let's see if my point of view can change your perception of either polishing or manual prying. First, we disassemble the gold iPhone 14 Pro Max. The phone has never been repaired before. We protect the Face ID components. At this point, we find that one screw won't come off no matter what. That's because there's another screw underneath it. They're stacked together. We first remove all the other screws. Now we see clearly that there's a big screw under this small one, so we need to disconnect all the cables, the battery display cable, touch sensor cable, and so on. Now we carefully remove the screen. With the screen off, we can safely remove the metal shield. Below it, we see the big screw. They're stacked when screwed in. Now we need to remove the motherboard. All the external connections. What are external connections? Camera cable, power button cable, charging port cable, battery cable, flash cable, volume button cable, front camera cable, etc. all connect to the motherboard. We also need to remove the earpiece speaker. Its two contact points are on the flex cable. Then, we need to remove the large screws securing the motherboard. We take out the SIM card tray. Now we can take out the motherboard. Once removed, check for any deformation, signs of previous repair, or water damage. Since we're handling two devices, we label this gold one to avoid mixing them up. Next, we use the same method to disassemble the purple one and take out its motherboard. Check the purple motherboard too. Both motherboards are in perfect condition. We label the purple one, so polish or pry. Today we demonstrate both methods. First, we start the polishing machine. Choose the chip polishing option. Click to load material. Fix the gold motherboard onto the device. Click feed. Select the correct polishing data, then click Start. The machine first searches for the position around and on the chip. This helps us visually confirm if it's accurate. Then it does the first rough polishing. Then a second fine polishing. Some people quietly watch videos but secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Such people are so cute. After 2 rounds of polishing, we need to manually lower it by 0.1 millimeters for another polish. If necessary, another 0.1 millimeter, until all solder points are exposed. Some people quietly watch videos but secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Such people are so cute. Now we click to retrieve the board. Check the polishing effect. It's perfect, but polishing alone is not enough for installation. We must clean the edges around the storage chip. This prevents damage to nearby capacitors or resistors. Similarly, we apply flux on the solder pads, drag solder over the pads, use solder wick to flatten them, then clean the pads. Now the gold motherboard's polishing and pad preparation are done. Next, we process the purple motherboard. For the purple one, we use heating to remove the chip. After preheating, we deal with the edge glue, apply a small amount of flux, heat, and remove the original 128GB chip. It's safest to remove the chip when the solder is semi-melted. Actually, whether using polishing or manual heating/prying, both methods achieve the same goal.